What's up guys, MB back with another tutorial, and today we're working on a mid-drop fade. First up, with the number 8, debulk the entire top section of the head. You want to work your way around slowly to make sure everything is evenly cut. With your preferred trimmer, make a baseline all around the head, eventually dropping it towards the occipital area. Guys, you don't want to apply too much pressure onto the scalp as it can make it much more difficult later throughout the cut. Now remove everything underneath. Using your shaver, get rid of all the stubble left behind. This step right here will make your fade pop due to the contrast it creates. With your clipper and your lever open, create a 1/2 inch guideline all around. Remember to stay patient when creating these guidelines and reassure if both sides are symmetrical. Gradually open up the lever as you keep moving up. With your 1.5 open, go up a full inch this time, but don't apply too much pressure once reaching the parietal ridge area. With your 2 open now, flow that clipper 1/2 inch above the guideline you just made. Again, you don't want to apply too much pressure. Preferably using blending shears, shear over comb the dark portion along the parietal ridge. This is to make sure we keep the darkness but don't have too much volume sticking out. Alright, using the half guard halfway open, create a 1/2 inch guideline. And now just open up the lever and create another 1/2 inch guideline. Guys, don't be afraid to go up on a fade even if it's a drop fade. As you can see, I keep hitting it until it's lightened up. With your number 1, just soften any lineup within the dark and light portion of your fade. Finally, with your lever open, use your corners to get rid of that last visible line. But take your time because this is a very important step. If you have to be closing up the lever, go ahead. Guys, my model did have very dark hair, so I had to stay using my corners and keep hitting some dark areas. Detail work is a must no matter what type of hair. Notice how after so much detail the fade really comes together and looks proper. You must be willing to perfect every haircut. Guys, I suggest you work on the entire head when doing each step. I just happen to be doing one side due to demonstration purposes. If you guys happen to be wondering where to find these guards that I use in every video, make sure to grab a set at MartyBlendz.com. Guys, I just want to thank you guys for all the love and support you've given the channel. It's truly a blessing, and I hope everyone takes some kind of knowledge from every video. Alright guys, as for lineups, I do like to comb down and spray a light coat of hairspray. Start in the middle and work your way off to the corners. Guys, if you want to learn how to fade and line up beards, I do have a full video going over everything you'll need to know. Always remember that the client will appreciate extra effort, so don't concentrate too much on speed or time. Yup, this is our fade for today, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. Anyways, that's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz, and I'm out. Peace.